Namaste dear children, welcome you all for the science class. Last class we have studied bones and muscles lesson. In that lesson we have studied many points. Today we are going to see the book exercise of that lesson, A, B and C exercises. So let us have a short recall before we start the book exercise. So our body consists of different organ systems such as digestive system, skeletal system, nervous system, etc. So each organ system consists of different organs and they have specific functions. Likewise, skeletal system is also an important organ which has a specific function. So this is the digestive system. So I said each organ system consists of different organs, isn't it? So for example, digestive system consists of salivary glands, liver, intestines, etc. as the organs. Similarly, skeletal system also consists of bones. The specific function of the skeletal system is to give shape and support to the body. So see, the one more important function is that it protects our internal organs like brain. The skull protects the brain, the vertebral column protects the spinal cord and the rib cage protects the lungs and the heart. The bones, the muscles and the joints together will enable us to move. See, there are different joints in our body. We have the pivot joint, hinge joint in our knees and elbows, ball and socket joint in our upper arm and gliding joint in our wrist and ankles. Ligament is nothing but it connects the two bones and tendons connects the muscle and the bones. See, the hand muscle. Here this is the bicep muscle. It enables us to move our arm. The muscles will contract and relax so that it will make the body to move. There are other types of muscles like smooth muscles, cardiac muscles and skeletal muscles in our body. So, we can classify these muscles into two. One is the involuntary muscle and another one is a voluntary muscle. Involuntary muscles are nothing but the muscles present in our intestines, respiratory tract, etc. So, they are called as smooth muscles. We won't be able to voluntarily move those muscles. So, it is involuntary muscle. But the muscles present in our arms and legs are called as skeletal muscles as they are attached with the bones, and also we can able to move our arms and legs. So these muscles are called as voluntary muscles. So next children, now it's our part. Now we are going to see the choose the correct answer for this lesson. So I hope you all will answer correctly. Shall we go on? Yes. First question is that which bones protect the spinal cord? The options are skull bones, vertebrae, ribs and hip bones. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is vertebrae. Yes, can you see the vertebral column here? Next question. The center of a bone contains dash. That is, inside the bone what we have. The options are air, water, marrow and cartilage. Which one is the answer? The answer is marrow. Yes, can you see? Yes, this is the bone marrow present inside our bone. Next question. Dash connects muscles to the bones. Now only I said muscles and bones are connected by what? The options are tendons, ligaments, vertebrae and floating ribs. Which is the answer? The answer is tendons. So, now you can see the tendons, the muscle and the bone. Both are connected by tendons. Next question. The kind of joint found in the hip is the dash. So, we have learned that in our arms and in our hip we have what type of joints? Pivot joint, ball and socket joint, hinge joint, gliding joint. Which one is the correct answer? It is ball and socket joint. Can you see, children? This bone acts like a ball and this bone acts like a socket. So it is called as ball and socket joint. Next question. The bicep muscles is dash. What are the options you see? Voluntary muscle, involuntary muscle, cardiac muscle, smooth muscle. So biceps muscle is present in our arm here. So we can move our bicep muscles, isn't it? So what type of muscle it is? The answer is voluntary muscle, isn't it? Yes, it is the voluntary muscle. Next question. Next we have the true or false. Say whether the following statements are true or false, and we have to correct the statement if the statement is false, right? The excretory system controls the other organ system. Is it correct? No. So which system will control the other organ system? It is our nervous system, right? So what is the answer? The answer is false. So the correct statement is the nervous system controls the other organ system. The next question. There are 12 ribs in the human body. Is the statement correct? No. What is the mistake here? There are 12 ribs. The answer is there are 12 pairs of ribs, isn't it? So the statement is a false statement. And the correct statement is there are 12 pairs of ribs in the human body. Next question is the skeletal system moves with the help of marrow. Is the statement correct? No. So what is the correct statement? So the statement is false and the correct statement is the skeletal system moves with the help of muscles. Instead of marrow you should write muscles. Next question. Gliding joints are found in our shoulders. Gliding joints are found in our shoulders. Is it correct? The statement is false. The gliding joints are found in wrists and ankles. Isn't it, children? Next question. Hinge joints allow movements in all directions. So hinge joint means it is present in our elbows and our knees. So, will it allow in all direction to move our hand or leg? No. So, the statement is false. And the answer is hinge joints allow only back and forth movements. So, the next question. Next we have name the following exercise. The organ system that gives shape and support to the body. Can you able to identify, children? Yes. The answer is it is our skeletal system. Very good, children. Next question. The part of the skeletal system that helps us to stand up straight. So, if your Marge is asking you to stand straight, so then what you will do? You will do like this, isn't it? So, which is helping you to do like that? It is our vertebral column. The answer is vertebral column. Next question. The bones that make the lower legs, what bones it is making the lower part of the leg? Two bones. What are they? The answer is shin bone and the calf bone. So, the longest strong bone here is the shin bone and the next one is the calf bone. Next question. The part that connects two bones. Which is the part that connects two bones? It is the ligaments. So the part that connects a muscle and the bone is called tendons and the part that connects the two bones are called as ligaments. So the answer is ligaments. Next question. So finally we have fifth one, the kind of muscle found in the heart. So what type of muscle the heart is made up of? It is cardiac muscle. Now see the answer, it is cardiac muscle. The heart is made up of cardiac muscle. So children, by this we have completed our book exercise A, B and C in the lesson Bones and Muscles. So in our next class, we will be studying the question answers for the lesson Bones and Muscles. 1, 2 and 3. So children, today what you have to do? You have to go through the lessons fully and you have to study the lesson line by line and understand it. Hope you understood the concepts, children. So your duty is to mark the answer correctly in your book and start studying. Thank you, children.